All right, hello everyone. This is Eric Harris here live from day one at InspireX. Doing things a little bit different from where I was yesterday out here during lunch. Wanted to give you a quick kind of recap for those that didn't see the keynote this morning with John Burton. Went through a lot of great things. He definitely shared some new things coming out, some new products that we have unveiling as well. It was definitely exciting and something to look forward to and continue. I'm actually in the main area where we're having lunch, so there's a lot of people out here behind me, and it's exciting just to see it. So it may be a little hard to hear me, but I'll try to do this as best I can. We had several sessions this morning. I got to flip over and see the sessions. You got the best practices in form design and extensibility. Andy Budeman and Sean Feen, two great people here at Nintex, worked on that. Also, Nintex workflow governance with Carolyn is actually going on as well. And then we had Dan Stoll and Tim Whalen going over Nintex mobile enterprise strategy in 90 minutes. So great session starting out the morning, rounding out the information and the content coming out. But onto the keynote though, I want to actually stop on that for a while. John Burton showed the history and kind of where we are, where we've been at Nintex, and also where we're going. Talking about workflow, the on-prem, so doing SharePoint, and then how we've moved into the cloud with SharePoint for Office 365. Both of those really widely used, something that we collaborate very well with Microsoft on. But also looking at as well the new wave of with Nintex Workflow Cloud, something that's brand new. A lot of things coming out. We have several partners and customers that are in beta with us on that. But it's just something that's revolutionary, being able to do a lot more with Nintex as well, external to SharePoint. Some of the other things that we saw in the keynote as well was the draw loop integration, being able to do document generation from the back end to the front end, so connecting both back office and front office being a really good thing as well. And one of the other things that we saw coming out was Nintex Insight. I actually sent a couple of tweets out about it. Very excited about that. Luke, one of the product managers out of the Melbourne office, demoed that product, and that was revolutionary. It's huge. The amount of information that you can get out of that product for what your workflows are doing, usage, finding out how much is being consumed, what's happening inside of your environment, and using Power BI to represent that data in a very rich way. But the key to that isn't just what you can get as far as the data, but then be able to use that to start forecasting, seeing what you need to do, business process automation. How do you tackle business processes and things with that? So that's one of the key factors of that, which is really good and something that we're looking forward to. Some of the other things that came out of that as well was looking at, again, NWC. I got a session, my own session is coming out I'm excited about as well. The exchange is happening tomorrow afternoon. So I'll give you a little bit more hints about that in one of my later Hangouts. But it's really exciting. We have a solution exchange, or a solution gallery. A gallery for assets really is what it'll be, where you can upload things, be able to use things. So it gets you to build your workflow and your forms, your solutions a lot faster, being able to leverage best of practice products from other people, whether it be customers and or partners. But we're hugely excited about it. Huge turnout from the crowds, definitely. I'll let you see that. This has been one of the best things that I've attended. I've been to a lot of conferences, but it's really exciting when it hits home to something that you've been working on and developing. And everybody in Nintex, we're excited. We're happy that you are a part of this process, that you're either a partner or a customer. Even though you can't be here, you're a part of the experience, and we appreciate you being a part of our community. So I'll give you a quick view of what that looks like. Definitely, I'll step away and see just the excitement, the amount of people, where we are, what we're doing. And this is huge. This is a big room. We got about 450 people in attendance. I mean, you can the amount of brain knowledge, the trust is going on, the collaboration, sharing of information between partners, customers, and Nintex in the middle, facilitating that. And it's been an exciting thing. Some of the next Hangouts will have more people. Everybody's eating right now, so I didn't want to interrupt anybody while they're eating. But we'll have some people definitely stop by, say hello, tell you about their experiences with the InspireX conference, what they're getting out of it. Hopefully we'll get a couple of speakers to share some things that they shared in their sessions, and we'll go from there. But I'm glad you're a part of the community, and even though you're not here, I want you to be a part of it. So that's why we're doing the Hangouts. So stay tuned. I'll try to update some Hangouts throughout the day, as I said, and we'll get some other things going. But we're blessed to have you a part of our community at Nintex, and I'm glad you're watching this Hangout. So keep up to date and have fun wherever you are out there. All right, take care.